inseparable. That's how it'll always be, inseparable. Just you and me. It's so wonderful to know you'll always be around me. Incredible what you are to me. Incredible. You bring out the woman in me with your style of love. Inseparable, yeah, that's what we are. We're like a flower to a tree, like words to a melody of love. There's no way we could break up, no words that could make up, blow up thing. We are just inseparable. That's how it is, inseparable. For the rest of our years, it's so wonderful to know you'll always